For your supplies, you're going to need a 6-foot cord that you're going to use as your main cord. You're also going to need 8 2-foot cords for each section. So today we're doing 5 sections. That's a total of 40 2-foot cords. Not pictured here is 2 extra 2-foot cords for your barrel knots. So first you're going to begin with your 6-foot cord. You want to fold it in half and find the middle of your cord. You're now going to add each of your 2-foot cords for your sections, so 8 in total. So first you want to take your 2-foot cord, fold it in half, and you're going to lay it on top of your main cord. Now you fold that loop underneath and pull your other strings through. This is called a lark's head knot. You're going to repeat this 7 times until you have all 8 strings on your cord. Now you're going to begin by making your square knots. You're going to take the 4 left strings and make a square knot with it. If you need a refresh on how to make a square knot, please check out our other video. You're going to repeat this to make 4 square knots. Now, take the 2 furthest strings to the left and put them aside, and continue doing square knots with the 4 strings. You're going to have 3 square knots on this tier. Repeat the same process, this time taking 4 strings and putting them aside. You want to have 2 square knots on this tier. Now using your 4 middle strings, make your final square knot. Now you're ready to start making your double half hitch knots. Taking your leftmost cord, use that as your leading cord and begin making your knot. So you want to go under the leading cord and over the leading cord so that your string hangs out on the left. This is what it should look like before you tighten it. Tighten your string and repeat the process. So you're going to go over the leading cord this time and pull your string through the loop. Repeat this process until you get to the middle of your triangle. You're now going to continue the double half hitch knots on the right side. So you're using your right string as your leading cord, and you want to do multiple double half hitch knots until you get to the middle again. Once you get to the middle, do one final double half hitch knot, and I like to use the left side as my leading cord, but you can do it on the right as well. It doesn't really matter. Now repeat the process to make 5 different sections for your macrame garland. Once you're finished, you're going to do your barrel knots to hang the garland. Take your string and fold it into a little loop and put it aside. Now you're going to take the extra 2-foot string that you saved for your barrel knots, and you're going to fold that into a loop, leaving one side a bit longer than the other. Now put them together and use the longer side of the string to wrap around all of the other strings. Now you want to start a little bit low so you have enough of a loop to hang from either your nail or your tack or however you'll be hanging your garland. Make sure to wrap very tightly. Once you're at the top, pull your piece of string through the loop and pull the bottom string as well to tighten your barrel knot. Make sure to make it really, really tight so it won't fall off. Now you cut your ends and voila, you're finished. I like to cut the ends of my strings so they're all even, but you can leave them long if you like. And that's it. That's how you make a macrame garland. Thanks for watching, everyone.